Welcome to your Caribbean villa. As you enter the house, you can see that the floor was freshly redone. This is the living room, dining room, kitchen area with the counter. You have wood cabinets, granite countertops, space for your oven, for the refrigerator. And on this side, I recommend a little storage area. These are the stairs to go upstairs. I'll show you that in a minute. This is a full bathroom here. On this side, we have the first bedroom with a built-in closet, wooden doors, and shelves inside, eliminating the need to have a dresser and extra storage space on top here. Here you have the attachments for television. On this side of the bathroom, you have the second room with, again, the same idea, wooden closet with shelves and extra space on top. Beautiful large room with 2 windows. And the upstairs is where we have the master bedroom with the rooftop terrace. The master bedroom is very large and also has windows. Beautiful tiles, attachments for the TV and Wi-Fi. Here you can put a ceiling fan. Here you have the built-in closet with shelves. And here you have the master bathroom. This house is perfect and ready to be moved into. Here you have the rooftop terrace that I mentioned. It rained a lot today, so I won't be able to go in. Okay? For additional information, give me a call. My name is Alix Duyon. I'm with Dominican Real Estate Group, and you can reach me directly on WhatsApp at 809-763-4400. 763-4400, area code 809. Alix Duyon at your service. Looking forward to seeing you soon in heaven on earth, also known as Punta Cana.